Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will describe a beautiful picture. This picture shows a family at home. Let's look at the picture step by step. First, look at the kitchen. The mother is in the kitchen. She is cooking vegetables in a pan. There are many fresh vegetables on the table. She looks happy and busy. Now look at the front. There is a young boy sitting at the table. He is doing his homework. There are books, a pencil, and a glass of water on the table. He is studying carefully. Next, look at the right side. The father is sitting on a chair. He is reading a newspaper. He looks relaxed. Now look behind him. The grandparents are sitting on a sofa. They are watching TV together. On the TV, there is a historical program with soldiers on horses. Look at the floor. There is a cute dog near the father. The dog is sitting quietly. This is a happy family. Everyone is busy with their work. Everyone in the family is busy with their work. The home looks peaceful, warm, and happy. Now pause this video and describe the picture in your own words. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.